If you're standing at a Toyota dealership ready to drop $50,000 on a new Tacoma because of that legendary reliability badge, you are making a massive mistake that your local mechanic is secretly laughing at. As of January 2026, the script has flipped. While the world is chasing the hype of the new Tacoma, the smartest hands in the business, the guys who actually turn the wrenches, are quietly putting their own money into the 2026 Honda Ridgeline. The midsize truck market in the US is currently in a state of absolute chaos. We are seeing a historic shift where rugged brands are failing and the soft trucks are surviving. If you value your bank account and your time, you need to understand why the 2026 model year has become a graveyard for new truck engines, and why one specific Honda is the only thing standing between you and a permanent rental car. But here is the detail that will blow your mind. There is a specific mechanical ticking time bomb inside the new Toyota's iForce Max powertrain that Toyota is already tracking internally, yet Honda refused to even touch their engine design for 2026. We're going to reveal the machining debris scandal that is currently gutting Toyota's reputation, but the dealers are desperate to keep the units moving. We're about to show you the exact service bulletins that prove the Ridgeline is the last real truck left. But first, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. We're dropping a full reliability ranking of every 2026 engine next week, and you'll want to see it before your warranty expires. Most automotive journalists will tell you the Ridgeline isn't a real truck because it's a unibody. We aren't journalists, we're investigators. We've analyzed the NHTSA safety data in the initial quality surveys for 2026, and the results are shocking. The 2026 Ridgeline is currently outranking the Tacoma by over 30 points in long-term durability projections. We aren't here to look at the leather seats, we're here to look at the cylinder heads. The core issue is complexity versus character. The 2026 Tacoma has moved to a high-pressure, turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid system. It's a marvel of engineering, but it's also a nightmare for longevity. Mechanics are seeing machining debris in the new Toyota blocks, leftover metal shavings from the factory that are shredding main bearings before the truck even hits its second oil change. Meanwhile, the 2026 Ridgeline is still using the ancient, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. It has no turbos to overheat, no massive battery packs to swap, and a sock design that is so simple a high schooler could service it. This is scary for buyers because of the resale cliff. When you buy a Tacoma, you're paying a reliability tax, thousands extra for a reputation that, as of January 2026, simply doesn't exist for the new generation. If that engine seizes at 40,000 miles, your resale value disappears. Mechanics are buying the Ridgeline because they know that in 10 years, the Honda will still be running on original parts, while the Tacoma owner will be on their second turbocharger and third software flash. We have to be fair to Toyota's legacy. They built the trucks that won wars, but in 2026, the new Toyota is struggling with the transition to boost and electrification. Honda, on the other hand, is being called lazy for not redesigning the Ridgeline, but that laziness is exactly why it works. They haven't changed the recipe because the recipe is perfect. This isn't about hating Toyota, it's about acknowledging that old and proven beats new and broken every single time. Should you buy or wait? If you need to tow 6,500 pounds or go rock crawling in Moab, you have to buy the Tacoma and pray for a good warranty. But for the 95% of you who are pavement princesses hauling mulch, dirt bikes, or groceries, do not buy the Tacoma. Buy the 2026 Ridgeline. It is the only truck in 2026 that offers a 5-star safety rating across every single category while maintaining a car-like ride that won't break your back or your wallet. This channel is your early warning system. We track the recalls so you don't get stuck with the bill. Subscribe now to join the only community that prioritizes the under-the-hood reality over the on-the-brochure marketing. Next, we're investigating a secret transmission shutter appearing in the 2026 Ford Ranger that might make the Ridgeline look even better by comparison. You need to see that data before you visit a Ford lot. Resale is temporary, but reliability is forever. This is the Buyer's Report.